Welcome to NC Engineering. Our today topic is DX AC system. As we know, there are two types of AC system, one chill water system and another DX system. So we'll see now what is DX system. DX system consists of window AC, split AC, package units and VRF units. So we will see now what is DX. DX stands for direct expansion cooling. In DX cooling equipment, a refrigerant coil is placed directly in contact with the supply air stream, and the refrigerant coil is fixed with aluminum fins to increase the area of heat transfer. So when the air is passed through these coils and through these fins, it removes the heat to the refrigerant inside the coil and get cold. As a result, it supplies the cold air to the room. We have different type of equipment for DX. The most common is window AC. It is the cheapest one as it is compact and all items, compressor, fan, everything is put inside one container. It is called window AC. It is cheap. It is for the common man to use. We can use for each room, each window AC. But there is one disadvantage that there is noise from this AC unit because the compressor is attached to it, so the compressor noise, fan for compressor noise will come inside the room. There is one advanced version of it, split AC. It is used for medium range building also. Window AC it is normally from 1 to 2 ton, but this is split AC we can have from 1 to up to 5 tons. In this unit, this is split in two parts. One part contain blowers and cooling coils, and the outdoor unit contain the compressor and the fan for it. Indoor unit is fixed inside the room. Outdoor unit is kept outside the room on the roof and these two parts are connected with copper coils. In this coil the refrigerant is flowing, and the same principle it takes the heat of air sent to the compressor and makes the air cool. Indoor unit are of different shapes and types. We have cassette types, this normally fixed with the tile ceilings. We have high wall type, this one. We have floor stand type. There is different types as per the situation you can select. If you have more decoration in your room, you can select as per your decoration and you can fix. This is generally costly in comparison to window AC because it is divided in two parts, and this is a decorative type, and also there is installation cost is with it because when you need to install these units you need to make piping between them, and there is more maintenance cost also because there is more chances of leakage. But it is most commonly used and most advanced version, and generally there is no noise inside the rooms where we use the split AC. Is generally used for offices, for shops, for decorative homes and commercial purpose, also medium range commercial purpose. We have another package AC. This is normally used for commercial purpose, like we have big halls, we have cinemas, we have supermarket, we have malls. So either we keep this package unit on the rooftop or beside these malls, and we make the ducting connection from it. We can see here this two duct outlet, and this duct is pass inside the building, and this duct inside the building, and we distribute the air by air outlets. So this is normally used for commercial purpose, medium range. For high range we use chiller or VRV, but for medium range this is cheap. If we will use chiller and VRV, these are the costly. Number 4, we will discuss the VRF and VRV. This is new type in DX system. You will see we have one circuit. We can have so many circuit as per the requirement. So in one circuit, what we have 4 outdoor units and we have 8 indoor units. If we have general split AC, so we will have 8 outdoor units, and between each indoor and outdoor unit we will have separate piping. But here we have central system. We can connect all outdoor unit to one piping, and all indoor unit we can connect to the same piping. Although the initial cost is high, but operating cost also is very cheap, and it can be used for large buildings. It uses inverter compressor. How it reduces the operating cost? Suppose only our 2 indoor unit are working and the 6 indoor unit are ideal, so it will give the refrigerant flow only that is enough for 2 FCUs. So it will save the power energy for 6 indoor units. So as we have seen, window AC is for very small and economical purpose. Split AC is for medium range and like VIP purpose, and package unit is for commercial and medium range purpose, and VRV and VRF we can use for large scale. It is, we can say, in DX system it is the central air conditioning system in DX system like chill water system, and we can say it is a large scale ductless HVAC system that can perform at a high capacity. So we can summarize as split AC system work well for small to mid-size commercial applications, whereas the package unit is suitable for mid-size commercial, whereas VRF and VRV HVAC system are for larger buildings. We can make one comparison in one small short video. If you will see, this is one mall and we have 4 split AC, 1 2 3 4, and we will see this 4 is outdoor unit. There is a big network of the piping for the indoor units. When we will change it by the VRF system, we have only one outdoor unit and only one network for the piping. So in this way we can classify this DX system normally, generally in window type, split type, package type, and VRV and VRF. This is the broad classification of this system. In next video we will discuss the chill water system, and it is a huge topic, so we'll make in parts. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to help our channel and to motivate me to make more studies